here we go. We start with the screen. Out it comes. I'll just put that there for a minute. I've protected the carpet with plastic. Okay. So we'll flick those off. Okay. Well, that came out no stress whatsoever. Landed up against the wall there. Come on, that's better. The floor is nice and solid, so I won't be taking up that floor. I will be taking out that shower floor and this hob, and I'll be going over the top of these tiles, putting in a strip drain, not a strip drain, a tile insert drain there where my boot is, a strip drain here, across here, and we're laughing. I'll be able to go wall to wall in this instant and slope everything down. I don't have to do it the other way I do it, by cutting it short and angling that side piece down. No, I can go wall to wall in this situation, so that's cool. That saves a lot of fluffing around. Okay, that wants to carry on spinning. I wonder how they are going to be to take off. Do I cut right around and pull the whole lot off? I need to anyway for the plumber. Yep. It's better to just pull the whole lot off and resheet. Okay, cool, because the time it takes me to peel off those tiles is and soap dishes are out. See that? niches are in. Yeah, so I'll peel that off. And then I'll cut that sheet off, leave this, and just take it down. Okay, good one. I'll come back to you shortly.